To my groom on our wedding day, you have been my heart since I was 16 years old. You've been my crush, my boyfriend, my prom date, my best friend, and now my husband. I can't wait to see you become a father to our future children. I pray they grow up just like their daddy. You are the greatest gift God has given me. I love you. Now let's go get married.
Dear Brianna, from the moment I met you, I knew it would be you as my bride on this day. We were just two kids in love, not knowing where the love would take us, but enjoying every moment along the way. I cannot wait to see how gorgeous you will look in your wedding dress, and I'm even more anxious to first lay eyes on you as you walk down the aisle. Forever yours, your husband, Bobby.
I asked Brianna and Bobby when they knew that they wanted to marry each other. Brianna didn't hesitate. She knew from the beginning that she wanted to marry Bobby Alonsi. He made her laugh, and he was kind, and she wanted him to be her husband. And Bobby said it was also true for him. Being with Brianna, everything he said just seemed to fit.
I, Robert, to you, Brianna, to be my wife.
I, Brianna, take you, Robert, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to me,
To love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
It's my privilege and pleasure to announce to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Robert and Brianna Alonsi.
Brianna, I still remember holding you in my arms for the first time, marveling at the miracle of life, and vowing to protect Daddy's little girl to the end of time. And I still feel that way. Bobby, you are now officially part of our family, and I welcome you with open arms and open heart. First time we met, I could see the love and respect you had for my daughter, and I couldn't be happier to have you to love and protect her.
It's an absolute privilege to be standing right by your side today. Not a day goes by that I don't think of how grateful I am that you were brought into my life. It was truly a gift. You are the sister I never knew I needed. From the moment I met Bobby, I could see the warmth in his eyes and I knew he was someone special. Thank you, Bobby, for making Brianna so incredibly happy and being the loving partner she deserves.
The first day I saw you two together, I sensed this indescribable love between the two of you. One thing became very crystal clear to me. Brianna is the love of Bobby's life. I've known her since day one, and to see you here today is just, it's incredible.